Yo, what's up everybody? It's Signified and we're back with another video. Now we've all been there endlessly scrolling through job boards, tweaking resumes until 2 a.m. It's a grind. But what if I told you there's a way to make the whole process smoother, faster, maybe even a little enjoyable? I'm talking about using AI to supercharge your job search. We're diving deep into 3 game-changing AI tools that can automate those tedious tasks and help you land that dream job. We're talking crafting the perfect resume, prepping for interviews like a pro, and even getting your application in front of the right people. So whether you're just starting your job search or you're a seasoned pro looking for an edge, this video has something for you. Stick around because we're about to unlock the future of job hunting. Let's get started. Job searching can be exhausting. But what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? In today's video, I'll share 3 powerful AI tools that automate your job search and help you land your dream role faster. Alright, first up we've got ChatGPT, and this thing is a beast when it comes to words. We're talking resumes, cover letters, even interview prep. ChatGPT can handle it. Let's start with resumes. You know the struggle, trying to fit your entire career into a single page, making every word count. It's a lot of pressure. But ChatGPT can help you create a resume that's not just tailored to your specific experience, but also optimized for those applicant tracking systems, the ATS. These are those algorithms companies use to filter applications, so having an ATS-friendly resume is crucial. Just feed ChatGPT your work history, skills, and the type of job you're aiming for, and bam, it generates a polished, professional resume that's ready to go. And it doesn't stop there. Need a cover letter that grabs their attention from the get-go? ChatGPT's got you covered. Tell it about the company, the position, and why you're a perfect fit, and it'll craft a compelling narrative that showcases your personality and skills. But here's where ChatGPT truly shines: interview practice. We've all been there, the nerves, the sweating, trying to remember what you even wrote on your resume. With ChatGPT, you can simulate entire interview scenarios, give it some common interview questions, or even job-specific ones, and it'll act as the interviewer, giving you realistic responses and helping you refine your answers. This is huge for building confidence and walking into that interview feeling prepared and ready to crush it. Next up is Notion AI, and if you're not already hip to Notion, it's about to be your new best friend, especially for organizing your job search. Think of it as your central hub, your command center for everything from tracking applications to prepping for interviews. Notion AI takes this to the next level by automating those tedious tasks and keeping you on top of your game. One of the coolest things about Notion AI is its ability to create to-do lists that are actually helpful. Not just your generic update resume tasks, but intelligent, actionable steps tailored to your specific job search. It can even analyze your existing to-do list and suggest improvements, prioritize tasks, or even break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. But it's not just about lists. Notion AI can also help you manage your time effectively. It can schedule reminders for application deadlines, interview follow-ups, networking events, you name it. And let's talk about note-taking. Notion AI can take notes for you during informational interviews or networking calls, so you can focus on the conversation and absorb the information. Plus, it can even transcribe audio recordings, making it super easy to go back and review key takeaways. And here's a pro tip: use Notion AI to create a content calendar for your job search. Plan out your networking activities, application deadlines, and even schedule time for self-care because, let's be real, job hunting can be stressful. With Notion AI, you can stay organized, manage your time effectively, and keep your sanity throughout the entire process. Finally, let's talk about LinkedIn Premium Insights, and trust me, this one's a game changer, especially if you're serious about leveling up your job search. Now, LinkedIn is already the go-to platform for professional networking, but the premium version unlocks a whole new level of AI-powered tools that can give you a serious edge. We're talking about advanced search filters that let you pinpoint your ideal roles with laser focus. Filter by industry, company size, seniority level, even keywords that are relevant to your skills and experience. No more wasting time scrolling through irrelevant job postings. LinkedIn Premium Insights helps you zero in on the opportunities that actually align with your goals. But here's the real kicker: LinkedIn Premium Insights gives you access to insights about the job market and specific companies that you won't find anywhere else. You can see salary ranges for different positions, understand the competitive landscape, and even get insights into the company culture and values. This information is invaluable when it comes to tailoring your application, negotiating your salary, and making sure the company is the right fit for you. And speaking of getting noticed, LinkedIn Premium Insights gives you access to in-mail credits, which let you directly message recruiters and hiring managers even if you're not connected. This is huge for standing out from the crowd and getting your foot in the door, especially for those competitive roles. So if you're serious about taking your job search to the next level, LinkedIn Premium Insights is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, 3 powerful AI tools that can transform your job search from tedious and time-consuming to efficient and even, dare I say, enjoyable. Remember, finding a job doesn't have to be a grind. With the right tools and strategies, you can land your dream role faster and with less stress. Which AI tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the Signified LLC YouTube channel. Next week, we'll dive into the top 5 must-have skills for career growth in 2025. See you soon.